RINGFILLIGHT, the ring light. Join with me as I show you how to assemble the ring light. Watch my video. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This evening, I am going to unpack a package. Yes, this is the package that I am going to unpack. And this package has the ring light inside. So, we are going to unpack this. So, stay tuned. While they are getting ready to sleep, and I'm not yet sleepy, I still have the time to unpack the package I received a while ago. So here is the package. So you need a pair of scissors. Okay. So it's from, yes, it's from K&T Express. First time to have a ring light because I just use the tripod and I need lights, especially when I will do my online selling, also having online classes, and in my vlogs also. So I need ring lights. So let's try to put them. So this ring light is so important for me because there are times when I use my cell phone. Yes, the inner part of the bags which I am going to flex will not be clear. Yes, because the light is not enough. Not that bright if I have to use only myself. Okay, because there are times when I have to say, okay, for example, if I'm going to flex the bag, then if I'm going to open it, I will show to the viewers inside is like this and that, and it's not clear. So the ring light is very useful. Okay? Yes. Because in my free time, I do online selling. So here is the square one. Box with a square. Okay. Careful. Okay, so here is the RINGFILLIGHT. RINGFILLIGHT. Oh. So there is pink and black, and of course I chose the black color. RINGFILLIGHT. Feel light and beauty face. Make face and eye in beauty. Night core extreme. Multiple color temperature. Okay, let's unpack this also. here. Okay. And this is the tripod. 3110. 3-way head, built-in level, 4-set aluminum legs, quick level lock. Oh, there is a dust bag. Careful. Oh, it's the same as my tripod. Yeah, same as my tripod. The one that I'm using now for my phone for this video. It's the same. So like this. This one here is adjustable. So we can do like that. Okay, so there are 3 layers. There. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then here, this is the part where you are going to put your phone here. Okay, so let's try to assemble this. Let's assemble. Here, and this one should. Okay, but I know this already. I need the ring light. Okay, like that. This is how you need to try that. Okay, so I'm excited for the ring light. Oh, the ring light supplement lamp is suitable for selfie and live video streaming. It has the functions of Philline, beauty face, beauty eye, brightness skin. Yes, it can also guide or adjust for 3 color temperature and according to your favorite various shades. Very good. Okay, so here is the ring light. So it has also other accessories. This one for the cell phone. Okay. Then adjustable knobs for the cell phone holder. Then we also have, here is the ring light. Here. Okay. And there is a switch. So we can adjust it to here. There is the plus and the minus. The off and the switch of lights colors. Switch of light colors. Okay, so here, and yes, I'll be showing you later how it looks if it's already assembled. Okay, see you later. So let's try now turning on the ring light. Oh, wow. Let's try to adjust the light using the plus and the minus signs. So let's press the minus sign. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What about the plus sign? Wow, clear. My face is clear. It's clear now. Now let's have more brilliance. Let's lessen the brilliance. Guys, so I'm excited to use this online selling for my online classes and for the vlogging. Of course, using this, having selfies. So, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.